Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video we're going over eBay versus Amazon dropshipping. So for those who don't know and are new to this concept, dropshipping is pretty much simply explained, selling something online and then fulfilling it from a third party to your customer directly. You're the middleman, you don't hold any inventory at all. eBay and Amazon are two different marketplaces you can do this business model on. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, for those who are new to the channel and don't know who I am, my name is Marcus Pereira, and I've been dropshipping on eBay for close to 3 years. Since then, I've done over $1 million in sales in a single year. I've been featured in many publications like Entrepreneur Magazine, Daily Mail, news.com.au, and I've been teaching eBay dropshipping on YouTube, this channel, and privately through my course and through students who want to learn for a long time. I've also done Amazon dropshipping, and this is why I can sort of come with my final verdict, and let's just get straight into the video. So which is better? And I'm gonna go with eBay. I think you could probably tell that if you guys are one of my subscribers, you know that I solely upload eBay dropshipping content, never really touched Amazon. And the reason why, and I've done both, and I'm just gonna go straight into it, tell you why, is, well, firstly, the simplicity. So for those who are new to e-commerce and new to online business, eBay is the best to go into. I found Amazon a lot complex, especially someone who's done I've dabbled in Shopify, I've done eBay, I've done Amazon, I've done everything. I still found Amazon a bit, complex to get straight into. And for those who are new, eBay is definitely a lot more smooth to just go straight into. So the scalability as well. I know Amazon is growing very, very fast, but I do believe for dropshipping, eBay is a lot more scalable. It's a lot more simple, and it requires, just to scale, all you have to do is list products. I know it's the same with Amazon, but there's a lot more back end. eBay, you just have to find products, list them. Finding products and listing them is a lot more different on Amazon than it is for eBay. They are two different marketplaces with two different target audiences, very different target audiences. You can't sell something on eBay and expect it to work on Amazon. Next one is fees. Amazon takes so much fees. I know if you guys sell on eBay, you think that 10.9% is a lot. Well, once you start selling more on eBay, that gets reduced because you will buy a store, etc. But for Amazon, I remember I sold one item and they ended up taking about 30%. Not only do I have to pay an upfront fee, but you have to pay there's fees upon fees. And at the point, I was literally left with no profit at all. Compared to eBay, where they do take fees, that's how eBay will make money. That's how Amazon do make money. But eBay's fee cut is a lot less. If you want more reasons, well, to get started on Amazon, you do have to pay a monthly fee. So when I first started 3 years ago, I literally had $0 in my bank account. So if Amazon was presented to me, I couldn't have even started. I think it's about $40 per month. I could be wrong. I don't know if it's changed. But that's about $70 Australian per month you have to pay just to list and just to sell. Then you have to get documents verified. I remember it took me about a week just to get my account verified. I had to get tax verified, identity verified, bank accounts verified, so many more just to have the account ready. Now this one, it hasn't happened to me, but I've heard stories that competitors can even just report you. If someone's selling, you both are selling some sort of chair, you guys are selling the same chair from the same supplier, they can report you and pretend that they own that chair or they are the company that sells that chair and get your account taken down from selling somebody else's product. So it is, it's a dodgy thing, but if your account gets banned or your listing gets reported and then your account ends up getting banned, well, this business that you spent so long building up, so let's say 6 months into your business, it's going well, and now it's banned, it's taken down. You have nothing. You built a business on a different platform, on a platform that isn't really your own business. You just built a store, and now you're left with nothing. Yeah, you made money for those 6 months, but now your account's banned, and it's just not worth the risk. But look, this is just my opinion. And if you're really serious about e-commerce, then I think you should try both. So how can you get started if you're looking to do eBay? Well, you've come to the right place. I've taught many students how to get started on eBay dropshipping for over a year now. And look, if you are someone who's interested and you just want to learn a little bit more about this business model, about this platform, then be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You're watching it right now. I have so many videos on this topic showing you guys just basics, more, in-depth and expert things. Everything just from A to Z about eBay dropshipping, and it's free, and you just get a lot of information. For those who are interested, but you're still a bit on the edge, I do have a full free training showing you guys showing you guys the basics from just setting up your account to fulfilling and selling your first product. It's a free training for those who are wanting to just learn a little bit more, but you're not sure if you want to take action just yet. It'll show you the whole business model, how to do it, all at this link, www.dropshipmastery.com.au/free-training. It'll be in the description below as well. But for those who are ready to start a new side hustle and make some money, I do have a course available in the description below. It's at my website, marcuspro.teachable.com, and it's currently normally available for $997, and it's currently 70% off. So this is what I've taught my students. I have over 100 students, and every single one of my students has gone on to make more profit. In fact, I had one student recently who I just worked a little bit closely with. We hopped on a Zoom call, and within his first week, he went and made $1,700, which is insane for a side hustle. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from here. This is just my take on Amazon. And of course, it's going to be a little bit biased for someone who does sell on eBay primarily, but this is my take. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.